In this video, we will discuss all the options for creating reports in ETABS. Let's get started. To create reports in ETABS, we'll go to the File, Create Report option. And you can see the following subcommands, and we'll go through each one of these. Each command will generate a data report that displays in the Report Viewer window. You'll have the ability to review the report and then print it or export it to a Word-compatible format using the commands in the Report Viewer. So let's take a look at the project report. You can see the report has been generated here on the left-hand side of the screen. You can see there's a cover page, table of contents, list of tables. Also, if you expand these, you can jump directly to different portions of the report. Another option is if I click on the Show Summary Report. So this command will generate a detailed report of the structure's lateral loads and associated results. This report will display in the Report Viewer as well and will be added to the reports listed in the report tree in the Model Explorer window. So if we click on Show Summary Report, you'll notice that there are now 2 reports included in the Reports tab. Next, let's take a look at the Add New User Report. So this form has tabs with options to specify model data to be included in the report. You can display any tab and then select or deselect the various data types to be included or excluded from any report. So you can see here you have the ability to update the settings, the content settings. I like to sometimes select Show Selection Only. This will create a report associated with just the selected items in the model. You can make updates to definitions including structure data, properties, or loads. Many assignments for joints, frames, and shells. Structure output, story and line output, as well as points and area output are included. You can select between many different design options here. Also, you can modify the cover page data. To add any data to the cover page of the report, such as a project and client name or revision number, you can just click on this and make any changes as applicable. So now you'll see the user report located here in the Model Explorer. To edit this report, simply right-click in the Model Explorer report tree and select Modify Report. Here you can make any changes to the report options right here. And lastly, we'll go back to File, Create Report, click on Advanced, Add New from XML Contents file. So you can use this form to select an XML file that specifies the report contents. The command allows multiple reports to be generated using the same format and data specifications.